How the game starts. Chess is played on an 8x8 board. The white player always goes first, and the board should be set up so that the white square is in the bottom right corner. Each player has 16 pieces: 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. The pieces are placed like this. In the back row, rooks, knights, bishops, the queen, and the king. The second row is filled with pawns. The queen is placed on the square of her own color, the white queen on the white square, and the black queen on the black square. How the pieces move. Pawns, they move forward 1 square, but capture diagonally. On their first move, they can move 2 squares forward. After that, they can only move 1 square at a time. Rooks. They move horizontally or vertically without a distance limit. Knights. They move in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction, then 1 square in a perpendicular direction. Knights can jump over other pieces. Bishops. They move diagonally without a distance limit. Queens. They move in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, with no distance limit. Kings. They move 1 square in any direction. Check and checkmate. The goal is to checkmate the opponent's king, meaning the king is in danger and can't escape. You can protect your king with your pieces and try to put the opponent's king in a check position. Special rules. Castling. If the king and the rook haven't moved yet, the king can move 2 squares towards the rook, and the rook moves to the other side of the king. This is called castling, and it helps protect your king and activate your rook. Pawn promotion. If a pawn reaches the opponent's back row, it can be promoted to a queen, rook, bishop, or knight. Check. If the king is under attack, it is in check, and the player must make a move to protect it. End of the game. Checkmate. If the king is in check and can't escape, the game ends with the opponent winning. Draw. The game can end in a draw if there are not enough pieces left to force checkmate, or for other reasons, like if both players keep repeating the same moves. It's a game of strategy, full of challenges and fun. Give it a try and see how well you can think ahead.